Good morning students, welcome to the class of HTML. In the last lecture we have discussed the floating frame and different attributes of the floating frame like height, width, margin height, margin width, scrolling, frame border and align. And in today's lecture we will cover page number 32 and our topic will be table and elements of the table like table heading, table row and table data. So students, come to the book. In the book we are having topic tables. Students, in the previous classes you have made the tables in MS Word, PowerPoint or Excel. What is the table? Table is a collection of rows and columns, and we use the tables to make different types of databases. Like in the schools we are creating students academic records, like we need the table in the form of roll numbers, name, class, Hindi, maths, English marks. We need to do the totals. We make the students personal record like admission number, roll number, name, father name, mother name, address, phone number, etc. In the banks, the profit and loss accounts, balance sheets, all are made in the form of rows and columns. Wherever the work of the database is required, we are using the tables. And let's take an example. I have taken the student table. In this student table, we are having roll number, name, class, any three subjects marks like Hindi, maths and English. And for making the table in the web page in the HTML, we have the tag that is table tag. After the body tag, we will write table tag. We will do my complete coding. Then at the end, we will close this table tag. We have opened the table tag and we have closed the table tag. That's why it is a container tag. Now, let us discuss different elements of the table tag. First element, we are having table heading. What is the function of the table heading? Table heading gives the table headings. Means whenever we need to give the heading to the table, we use this table heading. In the above example, I have taken roll number, name, class, Hindi, maths and English. Students, note the point that my table headings are bold as compared to the rest of the text, rest of the data. For that, if we want to make the headings in the darker form, then we are using this element table heading. For that, we are having syntax, we will use TH. TH means table heading. Means we will start the TH before the roll number and we will close it after the roll number. Again we will start before the name and we will close after the name, and so on. We are opening the table tag and closing the table heading tag. That's why it is a container tag. Next students, we are having element that is a table data. What is the function of table data? It allows you to enter the data in the table. Students, in the above mentioned example of the student table, this is my table data. Whenever I need to write the data in my table, then we are using this TD tag. So, its syntax is TD, TD start. Then we will write this one. I'll close my TD. After that, I'll start TD again. I'll close it and so on till I require to type the data. I have opened the table tag, TD tag, and I will close the TD tag after each cell. And I am opening this TD tag and closing it, so it is a container tag. Next element of the table, we are having table row. What is the function of table row? Table row defines the number of rows. Means in the above example of the student table, this is my first row, second row, third row and fourth row. Means in this example, I am having total number of rows, that are 4 rows. Whenever I need to add a row, then for that I will use this TR tag. TR means table row. I'll start the TR before the roll number and I will close after the English. I'll start next TR after this, before this one, and I will close after this 84 marks, and so on till I need to add the number of rows. So students, we have discussed that what is table and the different elements like table heading, table data and the table rows. In the next lecture, we will do the practical to create the table and we will give you different project works. Do that project works with the help of school links. Thank you so much.